Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee. My name's Kathy Jarvis and it has been another very busy week. Saturday we had to run errands, so we were in town most of the day. Sunday of course was church, and then I got busy with the little goldfish pond. I was just sitting there with the dog on the front porch and I thought, man, what's that smell? And I looked over and realized that there was hardly any water in the pond because we haven't had rain for a long time, and that the water lily had actually grown above the level of the pond. Not good, because that meant it could possibly freeze this winter and possibly die. So I started pulling off little starts to pot up, and I got 8 of them done before it got too dark to do anything else. And then on Monday, I decided it was time to get busy and really clean that pond. It was a beautiful day, 75 degrees and higher. So I spent the whole day cleaning the pond and pulling that water lily out and dividing it up and taking care of it. Get rid of all the gunk that's in the pool. Get that out, and then we're going to pump out the water and go from there. Tuesday, another busy day in town, doing groceries, stocking up the pantry, getting ready for winter. And I came out here and cleared the melon patch and the trellis for the tomatoes. I got that completely cleaned off. So it all looks better. It is ready to be put away for the winter. Now we'll go back in the greenhouse where it's not so windy, because it is very windy out there. Wednesday, I ended up taking 2 of the cats over to the vets to have them neutered. These are the last 2 of the original barn cats, stray cats that run around here. Of course, I got home and there's another stray cat, but it's a male also. But I don't know. It comes and it goes. It's here about 1 day every 2 weeks to eat. So it's not really, it's fat. It's healthy, so I think it's just someone else's cat, so I don't want to do anything with it as far as neutering it, because unless it stays here permanently for a month or so, I figure it's somebody else's cat and it's just coming here to say hi to mine and to get the free food. Also on Wednesday we started chopping up more wood for the winter and storing it. We decided on that little red barn that we were going to tear down. We decided not to tear it down yet. We're going to use it as a wood shed this winter, and because it will keep the wood dry. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we worked on that project. Thursday we had to go over and get the cats. They were able to neuter the one. The other one they did not work on because they said he has a cold. So he's coming home with some antibiotics for a week. Hopefully we can heal him up and get him in to get neutered. And that will be the last of the cats on this colony that I know of that needs to be neutered or spayed. So all the females are spayed, so we don't have any problem with that. Anything that's been coming in so far has been males. I'm not too concerned about the males. If I get any females coming in to the colony, I'll probably have to see about getting them spayed. But hopefully we got this under control. We ended up with like 20 cats at the beginning of the summer, and I got found homes for most of them, all but 11 of my own, and well, 10 of ours, and then we've had 2 strays come in, both males. One I think has already been neutered the way he acts, and the other one, he comes and goes. So that's what we did on Wednesday and Thursday. Also on Thursday, I worked a little bit in the greenhouse, and today, Friday, I am working more in the greenhouse. Yesterday, I harvested a bunch of peppers, some peas, and some cucumbers, all from inside the greenhouse. And today I am going to try to tidy up the greenhouse a little bit more and plant some and water it well. The peppers especially definitely need water badly. Clear up the tomatoes. I've still got blooms on some of them, and some of them have died completely out, so I'm going to try to tidy this up a little bit more. Plant some winter crops, some carrot. I got some carrots over here, but they didn't come up too well. I just got just a few. I'm going to put some of these buckets. I've had luck with carrots in the buckets before, but my turnips need to be watered. Beets didn't do too good. That cucumber that I planted last month is going crazy all over the place, so I may have to see if I can control it a little. I want to get some lettuce planted for winter. So that is today's project, is to get this lettuce planted and to get these tomatoes under control and possibly put some little plants underneath of it that they can grow this winter. So I hope you've had a good week. I know we definitely have one, getting ready for winter and trying to get things organized. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe to the channel please. If you are a subscriber, thank you for being here. And remember to dream big and follow that dream. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.